Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the Apple AirPods. I think you might be thinking this is a very late video for this, but there are some customers out there and some users out there, those who still like the 3.5 mm jack and those who have an iPad with a headphone jack. So this is a video just to unbox what we get inside here and for the general knowledge about what's in the box. So as you can see here, this AirPod costs 2,500 rupees in India and it is packed in August 2018. So this is the latest product. So let's open this up. Packaging of Apple is really nice, so I opened it in the wrong way. So this is the AirPods. So we call it, what they call it, EarPods. So this is EarPods. So the difference between Apple AirPods and EarPods is EarPods has a wire 3.5 mm headphone jack and AirPods are totally wireless. And this is the AirPods that we get here. Let me open this up. So as you can see here, this is a 3.5 mm headphone jack. Inside the box we get an user manual, and it is also sealed inside here like this. It's a good gesture. I cannot open this up. Okay, we keep this aside and look into the headphones. So these are the headphones that we get from the earlier iPhones that had headphone jacks, and the quality of the wire is also totally the same. So I would like to open this up totally. So yes, let's keep all this aside. So this is the 3.5 mm headphone jack and Apple EarPods. So that's all my friends. This is a very short video, I know. I just wanted to unbox this to show you what we get inside if you buy a separate EarPods for your phones or iPad. Just the user manual and AirPods, that's all. So thank you for watching my friends. Do subscribe my channels. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Bye bye.